Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be reviewing TradingSim. So in this video, this is an in-depth review of the TradingSim, the popular paper trading simulator. So let's find out if it's worth your money for learning for trade stocks. So first is a platform overview and dashboard. So TradingSim greets you with a professional dark-themed dashboard featuring real-time and candlestick charts, order panels, and portfolio positions. So the interface is very clean and designed to mimic a real brokerage experience. So just a pro tip that TradingSim uses real history market data, so you are practicing with an actual price movement. Next is a paper trading simulation. So the core feature is the paper trading simulator where you can place buy and sell orders with virtual money. So you get a simulated portfolio balance and can practice different strategies risk-free. Next is market replay mode. So the Trading Sims replay mode lets you play back historical trading days at adjustable speeds. So this is perfect for practicing day trading strategies without waiting for market hours. Next is the pricing and the subscription plans. So TradingSim offers multiple subscription tiers ranging from basic to premium. So each plan includes a different feature like extended replay history, multiple charts for layout, and advanced analytics. Lastly is performance analytics and trade journal. So you can track your trading performance with detailed analytics, including with rate and profit, loss charts, and an automatic trade journal. So these insights help you identify patterns in your trading behavior. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!